Hello, I'll explain the Combat game. Combat is a serious game for estimation and bidding that can be played by 2 to 4 players with a host. Before the game, make sure you have all the necessary materials. You have become the owner of construction company. You must estimate the best combination of rubber, bricks, and concrete based on the given floor plan. If you build with your own combination, enter the bidding competition with the amount that will yield the best profit. The player who bids the lowest amount above the minimum bid gets the amount of money minus the construction cost. After 4 bids, the player with the most money left wins. Now I'll explain the gameplay in detail. Combat is divided into the estimation phase and the bidding phase. In the estimation phase, you must figure out the best combination of rubber, bricks, and concrete from the given floor plan and make an estimate. In the bidding phase, you bid an amount that will give you the best profit according to your winning strategy. This is repeated 4 times and the player with the most money wins. For the estimation page, the host generates the plan on the web page from the QR code below. Each player estimates the given building in 5 minutes. Given the above plan, total number of blocks is 4 times 5 times 3 equals 60, and the number of columns is 8 times 3 equals 24. Each turn, gather and assemble Lego pieces. As the first turn starts, everyone is gathering the blocks they want according to their design pace. Lever costs 500 lag per pieces, and you can gather 5 pieces per turn for a total 2,500 lag. Bricks cost 300 lag per piece, and you can gather 4 pieces per turn for a total of 1,200 lag. Concrete costs 100 lag per piece, and you can gather 3 pieces per turn